credo che negli anni che tu hai 14 anni, 15 anni, quando corri nell'italiano e l'europeo, il livello non è altissimo.
Before he had any idea what he would do with his life, he was striving to go as fast as possible. It was just as soon as Rollie swung a leg over his bike that he decided that speed was his purpose.
He's never ridden that bike, so he's going to get on this bike that he's never ridden to then undertake a 10,000-kilometre race across some of the harshest terrain in the world.
I've always loved movies in general, and I see what's behind the movie, what the director, what the writer, the producer is trying to achieve, and that is something that intrigues me, because it's like with me with motorcycling. When I was a young kid, I knew that it was what I was going to do. I knew that was my purpose. It's really why I'm here today. Is that not only the passion of motorcycling, but I love movies, and I love what movies can give an individual, how they can inspire, the passion in the heart that the person who writes it, their vision and what they're trying to put on the screen, and for you to get something out of it. And so, that comes together in what we have here this weekend. And again, to be involved with that is something that I feel very strongly about and very thankful for.
Voilà, donc bonjour, là je suis dans le festival L'Espace Magnan à Nice pour le premier festival de film moto de la Riviera, organisé par notre ami Olivier Wagner. Et moi je suis venu de Paris, moi je suis un ancien pilote de Grand Prix, réalisateur aussi, qui a présenté un film, il était une fois le Continental Circus. Et écoute, je suis très ravi d'y participer parce que j'ai découvert des films sublime. Vraiment, il y a 2-3 films qui m'ont vraiment touché. Donc, c'était très bien de lancer ça, cette idée-là, de la réaliser parce que c'est un vrai travail et ça demande du courage et de faire sortir les gens, c'est pas simple. Donc, j'espère qu'il y aura une suite parce que ça en vaut le coup.
Ce festival organisé par Olivier Wagner du film moto est vraiment très sympathique. Sous la présidence en plus de Freddie Spencer, donc un grand champion d'époque, 3 fois champion du monde. Donc c'est un vrai plaisir de faire partie du jury. On a visionné beaucoup de très beaux films, que ce soit les courts-métrages ou les longs-métrages. Mais en ce qui concerne ce festival, il était très bien organisé. La salle est très sympathique. On a passé un excellent week-end. Freddie Spencer a été un président de jury remarquable. Et donc, on est très très content d'avoir participé à cette première, du film de la moto.
Well, I just would like to really specifically wish Olivier the best. His effort of putting together this event with him and his wife, Jocelyn, their work, their tireless effort and work. They approached me over a year ago and asked me if I would like to be the president jury. And I after talking with him, I said absolutely. And so I just really am looking forward to being involved, looking forward to this being the first one, hopefully of many to come, and look forward to it growing.